Julia here at WTI, and whether you're a girly girl or not, every woman needs a great pair of gold hoops. So these beautiful 1-inch 14 karat gold hoops are from TILO jewelry. They are absolutely perfect for daily wear. So this 1-inch size is not too bold, it's not too small, it is just awesome for casual or dressed up looks. As you can see, it has this beautiful texture, so it really reflects the light nicely. The clasp is really easy to use and it secures it nicely in your ear. I have worn this in the shower countless times and it still keeps its gorgeous appearance. I will say that this is very lightweight and delicate, so although I have slept with them in and they're very comfortable, I wouldn't recommend it if you want to keep them looking really nice. I would just take them off before bed. I wear them nearly every day. I find they go with absolutely every outfit, every occasion. I'm a huge fan of the way they look. They also come in a beautiful box, so they're perfect for gifting as well if you want to make a woman in your life super happy. I'm sure she'll be thrilled with these. So I highly recommend TILO jewelry, whether it's these earrings or another option. I think they're really beautiful, and that's my point of view.